who doesn't like Mexican food? So today I'm gonna show you the ultimate plant-based casserole with layers of tortillas, vegetables, beans, and vegan cheese. So check it out.
Heat the olive oil in a large skillet. Add the onion and cook until soft for about 3 minutes. Add the cauliflower to the onions and cook for another 5 minutes. Add the black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, diced green chilies, pepper, salt, and cumin. Stir to fully combine and let cook for around 5 more minutes. Spray a baking dish with olive oil, place the tortillas on the bottom of the baking dish, add the cauliflower bean tomato mixture to the dish and spread into an even layer and sprinkle the vegan cheese on top. Bake the Mexican lasagna for around 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit and garnish with sliced avocado, lime juice, and fresh cilantro.
Doesn't that look amazing? So in total this took me around 30 minutes and it's absolutely worth it. So I'm ready to try this and you guys enjoy, and until next time.